Alright, so I really don't know how long my phone's gonna last, but I'll record what I can. Me and my friends right now are rolling squad this dude's about to back into me. That's Jake. And then I got a Mustang and a Honda behind because I don't know what the hell's going on. We're just 4 cars deep right now. But to get the squad picture. Shift. Look at that. Squad deep. The only issue with driving with Jake is that Jake likes to freaking romp hard all the time. It's, what is it? Like, it's 50 right now, we're going 60. Well, that's not even romping, alright, never mind. But alright, maybe it's not even that. Oh, he's slowing down. We were going like 70 before. He's going too fast. He makes me nervous. He makes me think cops are gonna get me.
Full of their biggest hits.
What's going on?
I don't know where the fuck the launch is. I thought this was it.
Really?
Yeah.
Jake, when you fucking slammed in your brakes on that one turn,
huh?
My brakes are going woo, and I thought Hayden was gonna smack me.
What turn? Oh, that one
Dude,
turn.
you fucking flew around that roundabout. You fucking
No,
slid.
we
I
both
saw
did.
it.
Phil, you see, I was like getting ready to use 2 lanes, and we both whipped around the
Yeah,
roundabout.
my back end kicked out a little bit. Did my back end kick out?
Yeah, I saw it. You were way ahead of me.
You were kind of romping.
We were.
Like, dude, if it was fucking rainy or something, I wouldn't have been doing that shit. And when we fucking passed that bus, then dude started getting up on our ass.
Yeah,
I
you
was
was
like, I was doing fucking 20 over, and I'm like, are you serious?
that bus headlights were nice though. I mean, we were
They
bright.
dropped down to 45, and I was like, shit, I just passed, and I gotta keep going.
Yeah, he kept romping on
I
us.
was like, fuck. We did that whole ride in like fucking 2/3 of
minutes.
We did. It's like a 24-minute ride.
I got one of my positions stuck in. What the hell is this? You got a Honda in front of me. A really jank Honda, but it's a Honda. We have arrived. I see the lake. You can barely see it, but holy shit. I'm hyped.
You'll see us on the lake.
Okay, when I was pulling out of there, I was pulling down the road trying to catch up to you guys, and I didn't see the damn road curve. I almost fucking drove into someone's house.
That'd be bad.
No, my fucking brake spine was locked up, but I would have worked through someone's damn front yard and into their house.
That'd be bad.
Yeah, I didn't see that their damn road curve.
Hey, this is a fucking 80.
Good idea.
Fucking man.
That's fucking steep. Yeah, shit.
Holy. We out here. Turn on your light bar.
We're on the lake. All right, see you when you're here.
Oh shit, that's awesome.
We tried to
You
one on
gotta aim it
top.
up more.
Yeah.
Well,
Can you move it?
yeah. It's
Aim it up
adjustable.
There's a
Dude.
truck out there right now. You can see the reflection.
No, that's the fucking shanty, dude.
No, that's a
That's
car
a truck
there.
right over there.
Oh shit, really? I'm
Yeah.
not scared. Fuck, there's holes.
Ice holes.
Dude, my fucking tire sinks down in one of these.
It won't.
Well, no, it won't. But yeah, there's people in there.
Hell.
You hear that?
Yeah.
That's fucking scary.
What?
Do you hear the ice?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going back.
Why?
I hear ice and
Do you hear
ice.
the fucking ice crack?
Yes, I do. I don't like it.
Yes, it is. How do you not hear that?
Fuck that, dude.
No. Listen. It cracks. Not this. He was doing it more over there.
Turn around.
Oh, that?
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, that.
Don't kill us.
Holy fuck, Jake.
I don't like this anymore.
Get the fuck back.
That's what I'm saying. This shit's fucking scary.
This dude's coming off the lake right now. It's a Jeep?
I think so. Look at the size of it.
Oh, shit. It's a Jeep.
It is.
Oh, it's...
Isn't it?
Yeah. It's a lifted Jeep. Look at that thing. It's a thick boy Jeep.
Philip, let's take your car out there.
I'll take my car out there. Then we'll take yours.
You're taking yours?
We'll take mine and then we'll take yours.
No, mine will get stuck on that lift.
I'll take mine for a little bit.
Yours is, if that Jeep is out there, we'll be fine.
Get in.
With the fucking exploded, I was like, bouncing around.
yeah,
I could. Why not?
Dude, on fucking ice?
Yeah,
You're crazy
you can't
as
stop.
fuck.
Why?
Go flying to someone fucking.
Oh no, but I It was snowy. There was actually some traction. It was like a lot of snow on top of it.
That's just fucking scary just to like.
Oh, you hit a
I should be recording
Dude, I'm
this.
just fucking munching.
I'm gonna start
No
recording.
e-brake.
Snapchat this. They're jerking his gherkin. He's got a fucking bottle of lotion. No, he's
Hey, Gerald over here.
I would drop autos then. That's dope right there, Philip. This is fucking mint. There's a lot of snow here actually. There's how much spin.
Here we go. Oh,
It's fine. The fucking car is long. Oh, look at the fucking snow just flying. Look at the snow, dude. Look at the fucking snow just flying. And this thing doesn't.
oh shit, we're cracking.
This thing doesn't even feel tippy at all. That's the thing. No, we're not.
It was cracking. Go.
No, it wasn't. Reminds me of those videos that you see on YouTube.
Dude, that's fucking dope. I just did a full 90.
That's what I'm saying. It's like the Arabian drift down the highway. You know what I'm saying? Where they just fucking whip it at 90.
That's what I'm saying.
Holy shit! Snowstorm! Snowstorm!
It's raining on
It's
me.
a blizzard. Look how fucking deep that. Phil, look how deep that shit is.
Holy shit, dude.
You fucking like blew through like a foot of snow. Shanny.
Holy fuck, Philip.
Phil, I thought you saw it at first, dude.
Oh my god, I
Phil,
thought I hit straight into that.
I thought you saw it because there was lights on it. Phil, there was lights on it.
Let's fucking leave before I get caught.
I thought you saw it.
Jesus fuck.
What the
Dude,
fuck?
we probably shit
What the hell
themselves.
just happened?
Mr. Short's sitting like, Austin, get fucking play pants up, get your meter out of there. Oh, who's this fucking ripped ass Hayden?
Sorry.
I was going
We was in a shanty.
That's enough, dude. No, you're not. Full engine light.
I just bought the new whip. 2017 Silverado. It's fast as hell. Look at this shit. I'm ramping up on ya. Alright, this thing low-key is so goddamn slow.
Burnout.
Junior burnout.
Yo, we left a fat peel. You see that?
Jake, you know how I'm broke, boy?
Uh-huh.
You wanna buy me
What do you want?
chocolate milk because I'm broke?
What do you want?
The YouTube money has to come
Take
in.
it out. Take it out. You
Anything?
better make fucking bank off this. I expect a 500% return on this.
What the? So, this happens too much. I was supposed to sleep over somewhere. Plans fell through, so now I'm stuck in my car for a night. But hopefully, my friend might be able to come through if he responds. The code to a house that I could sleep in, which would be nice. So I don't want to idle my engine for like 8 hours. My friend at the hookup got me a sleeping bag and a pillow, and he got me a code to a house to go to and sleep in. Let's go. It's only 1:53.